welcome to my video today, you guys. I am so excited to bring you my next card class on the go. This is a class that you get online. You get all the videos to create these, and then you get a kit. So these are the crafty card kits, and they are for the month of June. So I know we're getting ready to dive right into June. It's happening Friday. I'm so excited because this is brand new product from the annual catalog. So let me first show you the cards that you get to make. This is done with another demonstrator. Wendy Cranford and I do this together. She creates 2 cards and I create 2 cards, and these are actually the cards we use at our local class. So if you are in my local area, I would love for you to come out. I had a really nice lady who has been watching videos, so you know who you are. Huge shout out to you guys. And she came to my class last month, and I was so ecstatic to have her. And so I would love anybody to come if you are interested. You can go over to my website. I will have all the information of where that is located, or you can find that on Facebook as well on my business page. So these are the 4 cards that you will get to make. You get to make 2 of each. So here is the first one. This is one that I designed. This is using the Varied Vases stamp set and the punch. So these 2 are made with Varied Vases, and I created both of these. We use the punch, we use some brand new designer paper, and we use the stamp set. And then Wendy created these 2, and these are really fun colors. These are the in colors. That is what we are focusing on. Lovely lipstick and pineapple punch, call me Clover, and blueberry bushel. And this is with the stamp set. So there is these are both brand new. So this punch is one that we had in the occasions catalog, but the stamp set is brand new. So these are the cards that we're making, and here are your options, you guys. You can just get the videos, so you'll get 2 exclusive videos, one from Wendy, one from myself, all packaged up on a nice page on my website for you. You just go one place, you get both videos, and you can purchase that for $20. That is just the videos. You're not getting the kits, okay? And then if you want the videos, the exclusive videos, plus the card kits for these cards, that is going to be $25, and you will get the kits and the videos. But this month, because this is all brand new product, Wendy and I really wanted to give you guys the option to get the product, not just maybe a stamp set. So you can get the Varied Vases stamp set, or this stamp set that she used. You can get that for $32, and then you would just pick your stamp set if you just wanted the stamp set. Or you can get the bundle, so you can get the Varied Vases bundle, the card kit, the video, and that is going to be $47, and you're going to save $15 when you do the bundle. So this is a beautiful stamp set. It was designed by Mary Fish. It's a $1 Million Achiever stamp set, and the punch is super cute, so you can do all of the pieces. It is a photopolymer stamp set, which makes it awesome for stamping and lining things up and getting those flowers in the vases. This is a gorgeous set. So for $47, you can get the bundle, you get the punch and the stamp set, and you save $15. If you just want to get it all because it's a brand new catalog and you're like, hello, I need all of this stuff, it's beautiful, you can get all of it. It's called Get It All Bundle. You're going to get the Varied Vases punch, the Varied Vases stamp set, and then the stamp set that Wendy used is called Blooms, and you're going to get that all for $65, and with that you get a $5 coupon for future orders. So if you want to get it all, that is how you're going to be able to do that. The links are down below in the YouTube description. They are also over on my website. You fill out the order form. This is a pre-order situation. You fill out the situation. I'm going to invoice you right away, right when I get your pre-order. I will invoice you. You can pay that invoice, and then I will get everything ordered and sent out to you, and you'll get the videos. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'm excited about this card kit, and I'm excited to do these in class. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave me a comment, send me an email. I'm happy to get back to you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will be back on Friday when the annual catalog goes live, and I will have a catalog walkthrough for you. I have a couple extra videos for you for that day, and I'm excited to hang out with you guys and celebrate the new catalog going live. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here on Friday. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.